Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools required for this repair: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace with good lighting. First, unplug your Thermomix TM5 from the wall to ensure safety. Next, you will need to remove the base of the appliance. Locate the screws at the bottom of the Thermomix. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off the appliance. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the base that you don't want to damage. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. To maintain optimal performance, it's a good idea to clean the interior with a soft cloth. Now, focus on the closure system. You will see a mechanism that includes the closure latch and spring. If your closure system is malfunctioning, it may be time to replace these parts. Carefully unscrew any screws holding the closure system in place. If you're unsure about the condition of your parts, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, saving you the hassle of guessing which parts need replacement. Once you have removed the faulty closure system, take your new parts and install them in reverse order. Make sure that the latch fits snugly and that the spring is correctly positioned. This is crucial for ensuring proper operation. Before reassembling, it's wise to test the closure system to see if it functions smoothly. If you face any challenges or don't have the necessary tools, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of transportation. After testing, replace the base of the Thermomix TM5. Align it carefully and reinsert all the screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure that everything is tightly secured but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the appliance. To finish, plug your Thermomix back into the wall and conduct a final test of the closure system. If everything works well, your Thermomix is ready for use again. If not, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We believe in transparency and want you to know what to expect before we start any work on your appliance. This step-by-step guide should help you successfully change the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during your repair process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.